Alanaam factory for animal production has all it takes to be a state-of-the-art facility, which would set new benchmarks for the quality meat production in an authentic Islamic way. It includes a receiving area, separate hangars for fattening animals, and a slaughterhouse. Al-An'am factory for animal production spreads across nearly 120,000 square meters of land. Fully designed and constructed by Turkish engineers, the slaughterhouse is a combination of energy efficiency and productivity, providing a perfect balance between high quality and attractive prices. The facilities include separate hangars, 14,000 square meters each, for fattening sheep, cattle, and camel. Al-An'am aims to set high standard in meat quality and hygiene by sourcing animals of good quality and breeds, providing them with good quality feeds, and by offering friendly environment for the animals.